Welcome to weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. Today we are going to discuss about the gold, silver, crude, USD INR, Bitcoin and top 10 stocks according to their weightages. So we'll begin with gold. Yeah. From the last week, we said like stay in a buy because something which is ended here and new thing has started here. Above 1753 is a good chance for gold to reach 1815 once again as it crossed this trend line here. So I'm removing everything so that it will be clear to all. So this will be one more trend line. As it comfortably crossed here, something or some new structure has started from this point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or some ABC kind of a structure. After this, we will be seeing one more up for upper side. So here we may get 1813 or 1874 in future. So stay in a buy in case of gold, not to sell. Okay. If it is coming to the down also towards the level of 1722, use that opportunity for the buying side. Above this will be the good buying opportunity, that is from 1754 or something for 1813. Okay. Silver, same thing. Like in the last week, we said stay in a buy, maybe to the level of 25, and if further goes to the 26. So here, in case of silver, nothing structurally had changed much. So I would recommend it buy. If it is coming little bit down, also that's fine. But again, we are going to go towards 26 USD in case of silver. So look for small sell, maybe to the level of 24. Then we will be getting one up before it can go any further down. Crude oil, yeah, structurally hasn't changed much. So as discussed earlier, like this will be the 1A, 2B, means 1 or A, 2 or B, C or 3, 4, and 5 will be coming down, and then we'll be seeing the 1 up, right? So I'll be removing this. So here, if you see this only end part, after this, it will be like simple ABC kind of a structure. It will be going to go for this. I mean, 80% of this will be for 65 USD. So in case of crude oil, look for the buy, not for the sell. It may come to the level of 57 or even to the level of 56, but one up is going to go in case of crude oil. Okay, well, that is for 62 and further for 66. So look for buy, not for the sell. And BTC USD, so the Bitcoin. So earlier we said like stay in a buy. So similar structure, it hasn't reversed from this point. It continued to stay upside as this red line. So I'll be staying in a buy side in case of USD or Bitcoin USD for one up. So maybe to the level of 62 or 66,000 is going to go in case of Bitcoin. Okay. USD now. As predicted earlier, like it will be going to go for one up before it can go any further down. See the moment, it's fine. So this will be for the upside only now. So you will be going to see one up before it can go any further down. So I'll be keeping this as like one up, or from this like minimum it can go up to the level of 78 or something, or this zone. So all three zones will be coming to the similar side or similar area of this. So we may be going to see the level of 77 or 78 USD in case of USD INR. So look for the buy, not for the sell. Okay. Nifty. Structurally hasn't changed much in case of Nifty, but a simple ABC kind of a structure or ABC kind of a pattern is still valid in case of USD INR. Sorry, Nifty. So I'll be changing this color to blue one. Yeah, this is CNS index. So why it is saying 50? Yeah, right. So here we may see 16,000 or 15,800 and at least to the level of 15,400. That is the previous high once again, and to the level of 16,000 or 16,000 change. So look for the buy in case of Nifty, not to sell. Only sell below 14,200. Okay, below this only we'll be looking for the sell. Otherwise, we'll be looking for the buy up to the level of 15,400 and 16,000. Look for the buy, not for the sell. Bank Nifty, a similar structure. It is going a downside again, but one up may come, but the potential to go upside is reduced little bit. Why I'm saying that? Because if you see this moment from the level of 29,640 and to the level of 37,000, the moment is sharper, right? But as you see this correction, it is not, though it is not a faster one, it is a taking time, but the value which it moved downside is more than or equal to or near to the 80%, right? So if you check with the Fibonacci, it nearly or near to the 80%. So the 80% will be like 31,633 or something. It's near 61%. The strength of going upside is little bit worried in case of Bank Nifty. So it will definitely go for one up, there is no doubt, but the going upper side potential has reduced. For example, if the correction has not there, for example this, the level of target will be for this side, right? This angle. Now the level of target is slowly reducing. If it come to 80%, again like this angle of this channel will be reduced to this side. So then the target will be lesser one. Ultimately it will going to go for one up, that is no doubt, but going to the upside is reduced, right? So there again you will be getting the correction or like some complex correction or some time taking event in case of Bank Nifty. So here in case of Bank Nifty, buy above 33,400 for 38,000 and 37,000. So minimum to this it will be like 37,000 and to the 38 39,000. So look for the buy in case of Bank Nifty. Against this will be one more up will be coming in case of Bank Nifty. So now individual stocks. HDFC, yeah, structurally hasn't changed much. I said below this only you will be looking for the sell, or else we will be looking for the buy only. Here it is a slower correction compared to this fall, right? So this is a simple ABC kind of a structure, or here it is making some complex correction. It will take some time, but ultimately it will go one up before it can go any further down or further up. So here in case of HDFC, it will be like a sideways to the upside and then a downside. There is a possibility. So I'll be removing everything so that it will be clear to you all. So I'll just add a one rectangle so that it will be the area of trading, or we can say the consolidation zone may come in case of HDFC. So it may do, right? So here it may spend some time, and after that if it is hitting the level of 2400, then it may reverse and go to the 80%, that is 2800. So look for sell now, a little buy, then sell, then buy. Little buy first, then sell, then buy in case of HDFC. What about HDFC Bank? A similar structure that of the Bank Nifty. It is coming to the 80%, but not that 80%. So that is the reason it will go little bit upper, not like higher targets. We can say that 80% or 100% if it comes also, it will be going to go for 80 to 100% of this previous move. That will be for 1590 or 1600. So look for buy. The overall structure is for the buy, not for the sell. Okay. Hindustan Unilever, as said earlier, like look for the buy setup. It is going for the upside. So I'll remove everything and stay in a buy, not to sell. At least to the level of this, that is for 2560. And after that, we will look how the structure behaves. So maybe to the level of 2560 or 2600, that can be possible in case of Hindustan Unilever. After that, we will see how it behaves. For example, this may come one down or continuation of the previous trend, that is for the upside. So here look for the buy, not for the sell. ICICI Bank, similar to all the banking structure or bank Nifty, are in the same structure, that is near 80% of the previous move. It may happen like one down, a small correction, and then one up. Okay, now look for the sell setup. Buy only above the 596. Below this, you will be looking for the sell for at least 509 or below that. Okay, so look for sell below 554, buy above 595. So leave this area, and if it is down, so look for the sell. If it is up, look for the buy. Infosys asked to stay in a buy, so stay in a buy. It is near the channel. If you bought already, just try to exit somewhere around 1476 and wait for the correction, and one more up can be possible, like this: A, B, C, D, and E, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So overall structure is for the buy, not to sell. ITC, we were in the buy and we'll be going to stay in a buy. If it is like doing the same thing, a downside, upside correction, then we will be looking for the buy. So look for buy, not for the sell. Kotak, as earlier said, it may be doing the triangle structure, but it has broken now and it is consolidating here. So what is the possibility now? So I'm removing everything. So from the top, this will be the channel. Below this will be one more sell, or if it is spending some time, it will be going to go one down before it can go any further up. So there, this will be the extended or expanding channel in case of Kotak Mahindra, but a small sell can be expected here, or above this, it will be looking for the buy, maybe to this level and down and up. Okay, a triangle kind of structure or expanded type of the triangle can be possible in case of Kotak Mahindra. So overall structure is for the downside first and then buy for upside. L&T, look for the buy, not for the sell. Here it's a faster movement, so it may come to the upside. Okay, look for buy, not for sell. Sell only below 1356. Reliance, look for the sell because here it is going in a sideways. So after this, there will be a smaller correction for the down. So I'll be removing everything now so that it will be clear to you all. So this is a 1 point, second point, and third point. From the downside, this will be the point. Okay, fine. So here what happens? Like it may take some upside or continuation of this. And from here, it may take one more reversal for ABC. Okay, the overall structure is for the downside only. This upper side can be used for the sell opportunity. If it is crossing in a lesser time, then we'll be looking something like A, B, and C for the upside. Okay, that will depend like how fast it will cross the level of 2112. Okay, TCS, yeah, earlier said like look for the buy at least to the 80%, and from there we will decide how it goes. Now it is near 100%. The overall structure is again like a B, and C kind, and here it is one more A, B, and C kind. So it may be doing the triangle because it is not slower one. So possibility is that it may do one down. Okay, or if it is go a little bit higher, then also expanded triangle like structure. So overall structure is for like look for sell in case of TCS if it is crossing the level of this or this trend line, maybe from the level of 3265, or else look for the buy or sell from 3297. Below that only you can look for the sell and keep the stop loss of higher. You may get the chance to go downside or else stay in a buy. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finance, the structurally hasn't changed much. Only I'm just pulling this to little bit down. Okay, the overall structure is for the upside only, but there is a chance it may come down before it can go any further up. So here it is, it may come to the downside and then also it will be going to go for one up before it can go any further down. Okay, look for buy, not for the sell. Whenever it crosses the trend line or this trend line comfortably, or in two-stage confirmation, look for the buy from 50197 or 5100. Then you will be getting a one upside for at least 80%. That will be for 5698 or 5700. Okay, all right. And this will be for the next week. If you have any queries, please do comment and share among your friends. If you find this video is useful, please do subscribe for the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.